Ta-da! The Coca-Cola toolbox. I'm not loyal to any brand, so getting a Sid Chrome or a Stanley one just didn't feel right, but this does feel right. So hopefully it works and does what it's supposed to do. Keep all my tools in one area. Why we got a toolbox? Well, we have a big mess and it does take us about 2 hours to do maybe a 15-minute chore because we're forever looking for tools.
Come with me and I'll show you why we have a toolbox.
Well, we needed one.
And we needed one. So in here we've got random tools. All right, come this way. Oh look, some more tools. Then we've got some more tools in our Ryobi bag. What do you reckon? More tools in here? So I can get the lid off. Doesn't look too bad, does it? Tape measure. Always looking for a tape measure. But wait, there's more. Come this way. Come on. Look, more tools. Come on. This is why we have a toolbox. This is why I picked it up and gladly picked it up. So in here you can see tools, 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 some tools over here, tools, 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 and there's probably tools. It's like a game of Where's Wally, but with tools. There's probably more, I just don't know where they're all hidden.
That's it?
That's it. That's why we have a toolbox. So I'll be happy to have it all cleaned up.
So now, this tool solution organizer is going to solve, hopefully, all our problems. So it came with the 2 set of keys, so they do fit both. Doesn't say more. Oh, does it? Oh, that works well.
See what happens? It's one of those joke sort of things, you know, you send the lock and a drawer comes out, then you fix that drawer and then another drawer comes out. Oh, funny.
Turn it to lock it. So it's got a little doovin wacky, so it goes in there. So it clicks in when you close it. So then that locks it. So 2 sets of keys, both the same, and it does come, each of the drawers did come with a little bit of protection, a bit of foam protection. So it looks nice, it's got all the branding on it, we've got a few tools in already, go and collect a few more. It's got the lockable wheels, you got 2 lockable wheels and 2 fixed wheels, so they only go the one way. We've got the handle, so you can move it around easy. You've got handles on the side here, so this it's just sitting on it. You can lift it on and off if you need be. Obviously it's got all the Coca-Cola branding on it. How long will it last until it gets scratched? I don't know. And then it's got a bottle opener there. When I was trying to fix it, it didn't seem to want to go in very well. So I'd like to be able to have where I can hang my earmuffs so that they're handy and they don't get damaged or dirty. But it doesn't seem to quite work and they don't slide in through the handle. And I don't think they'll fit on my Dodgey drink opener. So what I'm thinking is I might get a magnet and stick it on so I can sit them on and hang them on easy. I don't want to necessarily store them in here. I'd rather have them sitting at the side where I can just grab them and off I go. think it's all about the branding, to be honest. I've been looking around for one for a while, a few months, maybe a year or two. Been looking around for one and nothing's really jumped out that I thought, oh, that's what I want. But this one was like, yep, no worries, easy. Easy campeasy. That's what I wanted. That's it for the Coca-Cola toolbox that we got from Supercheap Auto. I'll leave the specs in the description. So we'll get it into use and probably give you an update later on, maybe in 12 months or so, how it's going. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. If you've got any comments or tips for us, leave them down below. Thanks for watching.